All the kids in Mrs. Bassick's kindergarten class are great helpers. And they love pizza. Oh, hi. My name is B, like the letter B. This is Mr. Butterfly. And this is Mayta, the Brown Bear. After we are done reading our book, we are going to learn how to make a pizza. We just finished our book about how Mrs. Bassick's class loves to help. Do you know what color this book is? It's yellow. Mayta, when you help someone, you are doing something good. And it feels great too. Mayta, how can we help someone? Here's an example. If someone is holding a book and they drop it on the ground, you could walk over to that person and pick up their book. That would be very helpful. Or if someone spills their water, you could go and get a paper towel and help them clean up the spilled water. That would be very, very helpful. Mayta loves to help make food in the kitchen. I have an idea. Would you like to help Mayta and myself make a pizza? You would? Do you hear that? No? Well, listen harder. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. Shh. Whoa, Mayta, look. This must be all of our pizza toppings. All right. I will put that right here. Thank you, Idea Train. Wow, Mayta, let's see what we have. Wow. We have some red tomato sauce. Wow. We have a bowl of cheese. We have some olive oil. Okay. Oh, look at this, Mayta. We have a bowl full of vegetables. We have red, yellow, and green peppers and onions. Whoa. Okay. And Mayta, we have another bowl of vegetables. We have broccoli, squash, tomato, mushrooms, and olives. Okay. Mayta, do we have everything we need to make a pizza? No? Wait a minute. What do you think we are missing? A pizza crust! Whoa! Okay, let's move the food over here. Mayta, I have a pizza crust right here. Whoa! You see that? And it's on a pizza pan. Okay, let's put this pizza crust right here. Now, before we begin, we need to wash our hands. Mayta and I have already washed our hands with warm, soapy water. Okay, we are ready to begin. But wait, we have to do one more thing. Now we're ready, Mayta. Look, we both have red aprons on. These aprons protect our clothes from getting dirty while we're cooking. And look, Mayta, you have a red and white checkered chef's hat on, and I have a white chef's hat on. A chef is someone who cooks food. And look, Mayta, I have a wooden spoon and an olive oil brush. Whoa! Okay, I'm going to put these cooking tools right here. First, Mayta, I'm going to need your help pouring a little bit of olive oil on the pizza crust. Can you do that? Yes? Okay, I'm going to get the olive oil. Here we are. All right, gently, Mayta, pour a little on the crust. Good job, Mayta. Okay. Grab a towel. I'll take the brush and spread the olive oil all around our pizza crust like this. Okay, look at that. Thank you for helping me, Mayta. Next, we have to spread the tomato sauce on the pizza crust. So I will take the tomato sauce and pour it in the center of the pizza crust like this. All right, look at that, Mayta. All right. Now, Mayta, I'm going to need your help in spreading this sauce all over the pizza crust. Do you think you can do that? Yes? Okay, so let's take our wooden spoon. Here, let me help you, Mayta. And we will gently start moving the sauce around the crust. You're doing a great job, Mayta. Whoa, Mayta! Good job on spreading the tomato sauce all over the pizza crust. You are an excellent helper. Now we're going to spread the cheese all over the pizza crust. Are you ready, Mayta? Yes? Are you ready? Okay. I will take our bowl of cheese and start sprinkling the cheese all over our pizza crust. Look at that, Mayta. Whoa. Mayta, would you like to help sprinkle a little cheese on top of the crust? Yes? All right. Oh, there you go. Good job, Mayta. That was great. Next, the vegetables. Mayta and I love vegetables, and we really love vegetables on top of our pizza. Mayta, we are going to do something very fun with the vegetables. Are you ready? Are you ready? We are going to make a smiley face on top of our pizza. Woohoo! Okay, first we are going to use the red, green, and yellow peppers and onion for the hair. Are you ready, Mayta? All right. So we will put a little bit like this up here. I'm going to use my hands, Mayta. Sometimes when you're cooking, it's easier to use your hands. Take my towel, wipe my hands. Now, we are going to take this bowl of vegetables and make the rest of the smiley face. Okay, first, our broccoli. We'll put one right here and another one right here. These two broccoli pieces are the eyebrows. Woo! Okay, let's take 2 pieces of squash and put one here, and another one here. Can you tell what I'm making, Mayta? Oh. Now we will take 2 olives, put one here and here. Do you see that? It's the eyes of our smiley face. Whoa. All right. Now we will take the mushrooms and make a mouth. Are you ready, Mayta? We have a smiley face. But wait, we need a nose. Let's take this red tomato and put it right there. Look at that, Mayta. We have a smiley face on top of our pizza. Thank you so much for helping me make this pizza. You are an excellent helper. Okay, the next step is to cook our pizza. Now this step has to be done by an adult. So I'm going to take our pizza and put it in the oven and let it cook. Okay? All right. Put it in the oven. Now, the pizza has to cook for 10 minutes. We are going to use this timer and set the dial to 10 minutes. Can you wait, Mayta? No? I know it can be pretty frustrating to wait, but we can do it together. Okay? All right, I'll put the timer right here. And we will just have to wait. That's the timer! Our pizza's done! Okay, so this next step needs to be done by an adult. The oven is very hot, so I'm going to put on oven mitts so that my hands don't touch the very hot pizza tray. Okay, so now I'm going to get our pizza. Whoa, Mayta. Look at that. Our pizza is now cooked. Whoa. All right, so now we have to wait and let our pizza cool. I will put our pizza over here. All right. There we are. I have an idea of what we can do while we wait for the pizza to cool. Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance. This is where we stop what we're doing, stand up, and dance. You can do whatever dance move you feel like doing. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. And look, it's Pinky the Boombox. Hi, Pinky the Boombox. Okay. Thank you, Idea Train. Pinky the Boombox plays our music. We will put Pinky right here. Then we will take this gold cassette tape and put it in here. And we will close it up. And we will push the button with the triangle on it. The play button. Are you ready to dance? Okay, I'm going to push the play button now. That was a lot of fun. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Our pizza is now ready to eat. We are now going to cut the pizza into pieces. I will use a pizza cutter. A pizza cutter is a grown-up tool. Only grown-ups should use a pizza cutter. Okay, are you ready to cut the pizza, Mayta? Okay. Let's try it. I'm going to take a piece with a lot of vegetables on it because I love my vegetables. That is so good, Mayta. Would you like to try? Okay. Let me get you a piece. Ooh. What did you think? Was it good? Yes. All right. The pizza was so good. Mayta, we ate all our vegetables. Okay, before we go, let's say 5 good things about ourselves. Would you like to do that? Yes? Okay, I'll go first, and then you repeat after me. Number 1, I am strong. Number 2, I am helpful. Number 3, I am smart. Number 4, I am brave. Number 5, I am kind. Good job. That was really great, Mayta. If you want to watch more Mayta videos, search Mayta's name. Do you know how to spell Mayta? Let's do it together. M-A-Y-T-A. Mayta. Then type The Brown Bear. Thanks for spending your time with Mayta and myself and helping us make a pizza. Until next time, bye!